The next instruction is having us add 2 more documents, and that since we're going to be inserting more than one, we could use the insert one over and over again, or there's another command, insertMany, and we're going to use that one. So it's insertMany, and insertMany expects an array as the argument. All right, so we need an array, and inside the array, then we can put as many documents as we need, and each document will be surrounded by opening and closing curly braces and separated by a comma. And here we want to add 2, so I've added simply the braces for 2, and then I'll put all the information inside there. There's 1 and there's 2. Now the information I need are exactly the same fields we had before. So I'm just going to copy paste them and change them. So it needs to be bigger than this. I'll make it 215 and give it a different name. And new values here. And make it a different height and weight. And I'm going to leave Candy the same. For this next document, it needs all the same fields. Fire and grass, how tall? 72 meters, weight 22 kilograms, and candy lollipop. So there I've created for insertMany. Now I've limited this to just 2 to make it as small as possible with insertMany, but you can add many documents in a single command. Then when you run that command, it says acknowledge true and inserted 2 IDs. If we go to Compass and we refresh, we go from 152 to 154. So those 2 have been added. Now it says to go ahead and find only the 2 newly added documents. So we can use a find command. And to find that, we could just find something that's bigger than the 212 if we wanted to. But let's go ahead and use one that we haven't used yet. So let's use ID and use a comparison operator in. And find the in is an array. And we're looking for either ID is either 215 or 216. And let's see what we get from this. When we run that, we get 2. Oh, let's make it pretty. And run it. And there we get those 2 new ones that match those 2 IDs. And that's how you add multiple documents.